everybody, welcome back to Marvellouss Beauty World. It's your lady here, Mommy. Today I have a nice, lovely video for you guys. A nice video. So before I start, I would like to say a big thank you to you all for your time, for your support, for you subscribing, showing us love. We love you so much as well. So today I've got the b.b.clear serum. So it's a lightening serum. So it's here. So I'm gonna tell you my review, like my true review about this b.b.clear. So they made it with some fruit. So we've got here, you can see. So we've got watermelon, we've got banana, we've got kiwi, we've got orange. So they made this serum by some fruit acid. So the serum looks like this. Is here. So you see, it looks like this. As you can see, that's the serum. So this serum honestly is very, very strong. So if you want to use it, so I would suggest you don't use it on its own. So you have to mix it with a natural cream, like something like this Johnson Vita Rich Rejuvenating Oil Lotion. Is very nice. You can mix it with this one. So, or if you have like some stubborn like elbows or maybe knuckles or feet, in that case they say here, so you can see the picture is here. In that case, you can just concentrate on the parts that you need to lighten, because some people, they have stubborn feet, elbow, knees, so you can concentrate on it. With this serum, you just get it this way. You just get it this way. You put just especially where you need. If like let's say is on your knuckles, just go on your knuckle, you go like this, circulation motion, and then when you finish, you put your cream on top. But if it's like to use it on your full body, please don't use it on its own, because this thing honestly is quite strong. It's not simple. They made it with this acid fruit, which is just help to lightening and then nourish. And then, as I always tell you, when you are using like lightening serum, lightening cream, make sure that you use it night time. Don't use it during the day, because like all the lightening products, so when you put it on your skin, and then when the skin, you go under the sun, it creates just kind of like sensitivity on the skin, which is gonna lead on damaging the skin. So it's no good. Whenever you want to use this serum, use it with a normal cream, like a natural cream. Don't go and then mix it with another lightening cream. Is a no. If you want to use it like something like this, or Dove or Nivea, whatever, any cream of your choice, but it doesn't have to be lightening, because the serum is very strong. Before I go, so I want just to tell you something important. This serum is for all skin type. So you can use it, it's fine, but make sure just you use it mix with a cream. I'm gonna do another video which I'm gonna promote this serum with a natural cream, so at least it can give you an idea on how to mix it. Thank you so much for your love, thank you for your time, I appreciate. So that was like my truth review about b.b.clear serum. It smells so nice. This thing, it smells so nice because of this combination of all of these fruits, watermelon, kiwi, strawberries and banana. So yeah, that was all because some of people, they asked me like, please can you review us, can you do a video on the b.b.clear serum? So that's why I did it. So anything you want me to do, like any cream, any product you want me to do a review or to try on, please feel free to let us know. Tell us as well if you ever use like a lotion or a cream of b.b.clear or a serum. So we are welcome to get all your suggestions. So thank you so much for watching again. Thank you for your time. Until our next one, keep subscribing, don't forget to like and share, and then don't forget to hit the notification button. Whenever we upload, you'll be the first one to know. If you are new here, welcome to this lovely family. Here we do skincare, we do some juicy, we do lifestyle. We've got the girls as well, Coach Marv and Coach Melissa, they are there. We love you so much. We see you until my next one. Bye.